I made my own DIY coffee table out of this fiberglass marble top that I got for free at a charity shop. They actually gave it to me because they were like, we don't want to do anything with this. You can have it. So I had a super funky idea. I removed the screws from the bottom with my drill and I got out some plant stands and I chose this option as the base that I wanted. So I used my drill to drill in 4 holes and this is what it looked like. And this is where I'm going to put my screws to attach it to the base. I scuff sand it and then I use some liquid nails to attach to the rim just for some extra support because this stuff is so good. And I got a mini screwdriver and some screws and I screwed that right on in there. And this is what it looked like and it was nice and secure. When I flipped it over, this was my base. So to decorate the base, I measured the length of the plant stands and I got out some half wood dowels. And I use these in so many projects and I always have them laying around. So I use liquid nails to attach it to the base and then got out my favorite stain color. Y'all already know this is Golden Ash by Dixiebelle. This is a no pain gel stain color and gel stain is so easy to use. You brush it, you wipe it away. It's so simple. And once I got it nice and fully covered, I brought it into my living room and this is the final result. I wanted a really funky mid-century inspired table and I think I nailed it. What do you guys think? And also, plant stands work as amazing table bases.